Welcome to Mackie B Outdoors. Today we're going to be out here at Half Moon Bay trying our luck for some crab. I'm inside the bay, probably hear the ocean. Using some crab snares today. I'm going to be trying my luck on this little rock right next to the jetty first. We got Renardo over there setting up. We don't know what we're going to do today. Might end up catching crab, fish, poke hole. It's going to be a fun day. You got me, jackass. Huh? You got me. Yeah. Oh, it's a fish. It's a stingray. No, it's a fucking rockfish. Look at this. What the hell is that? A cabezon?
What is it? Look it up. That's a sea bass.
Oh, it's keeper then.
Huh? I think it's a sea bass, green sea bass. Look it up. Hurry up. Oh yeah, hey, that's a fucking, what's it called?
So this pelican went by, hit my fishing pole, took it over the edge, and Ren's trying to reel them all in. Yeah, you ain't going nowhere, bucko. He is trying. It's like some 40-pound braid.
Huh?
It's like 40-pound braid.
I don't care. I'll fucking grab the bird by the feet. I don't want to take those fucking head. You know what I mean?
Well, trust me, it's already on his neck. It's 40-pound braid, so if we don't get it off, he's gonna die anyway. What?
Right here.
Do you see the line?
Yes.
All right. I hope that's the line going to the fishing pole.
Can you count? Yeah, sure.
Come on, bring it up, Bubba's. Oh yeah. Oh, he's all over that fucking whole line.
Pull him up. Just pull him up. You better grab that because he's gonna fight right now.
Oh, we got 3 lines coming off of there.
Grab yours.
Okay, now grab that other line. Grab this other green one. Grab this one. Grab this one. Pull on this one. This one may.
You need to unhook this.
Dude, this might be my fishing pole right here. Who gives a fuck about unhooking that?
So you gonna unhook?
Ah, yes. The fishing pole.
Okay.
Who gives a fuck about the bird?
No, but bring him over. Unhook him.
All right, well, come over here. Ah. Gives a fuck about the bird, dude. He just caused hella trouble. I'm not doing nothing. He's pulling.
Hey, hold it.
It's wrapped around his foot.
I know.
Ah.
Watch out. There's a bar, dude.
Yeah, I'm trying, Ren. Now he's going all over every fishing pole over there.
Where?
Over yours.
Hold him there.
I can cut this and probably he'll fucking slide off.
This dumb motherfucker. Alright, alright. Hey, you guys want to grab him and grab that line off him? You guys...
We're using like 25 yards.
Alright.
Now we gotta cut this fucker loose.
Bring him up.
I think if we cut one side, it might slip off the other side.
Bring him up. Fuck it.
Hey, we need a hoop net. Bring over that hoop net right there. My little hoop net. That's Ren, right in front of you.
Huh?
The little hoop net right in front of you.
This? Get him on top of this cage?
Oh, maybe. Gotta get him around this other one first. Well, let's see if you got crap first, yeah? No. No, he's not gonna have that.
You see? Get his head through the rope. Go, 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 go.
He is. We need a hoop net. The circle cage.
Pick him up.
Oh, almost.
Pick him up, pick him up.
Almost.
Pick him up, pick him up. Pick him up, pick him up. Pick him up.
That shit hurts. All right.
What are you doing here, Mama?
You got a hold of this bait?
Yeah.
All right.
Here, here.
You got your fucking razor blade? This shit is wrapped around everywhere. All right, hold this bait. All right, buddy. All right, buddy.
Chill out, you'll be able to go. Because it tangled up in the line.
Okay, we got the line off from down there.
Took his other foot.
All right.
Everybody get back. He's gonna take off. Everybody get back. Get back. Get back. Get back.
You want to give him a hug first, Ren?
No. Come on, big thing. Leave him be. Leave him be.
Oh. He said no.
Let him relax. He'll take off.
He's probably tired as can be right now.
Oh, yeah.
Good looking out. You got the fishing pole back. It's like a $300 pull. It's like a $300 pull.
Fish pull back. Save the pole.
Save the bird. He's tired, dude. He has fought forever right now. Bird number 2 for today. A seagull this time.
Get back. Get back. Get back.
Oh, you little shit. Don't bite me. I'm trying to help you. Okay, here. Hey, easy there. 2 of the little kelp crabbers.
That's seaweed. That's seaweed land right there.
Two of them.